Hi, Heather Rayner here with WholeFoods Magazine, and it is that time again where we have a brand new sample box for spring 2026, and I'm going to share it with you. Full disclosure, I did have to open it before because there's some different things that we don't usually have in here, and they were a little hard to open, so I did have to open them up first. But when you get your box, know they're going to be wrapped really tightly, and everything is so secure in there. Our co-packer did a great job with it. So without further delay, here is the spring 2026 box. So it'll come to you. We have our brand new label on here with a new logo. You kind of see that right there. And inside we have nice little wrapping as always. We have some literature. And of course, with this literature, as always, is my letter to you. And the sample, the survey of the samples is on the back. Please fill this out because it does give us such great information to give to our vendors and let us know which products that they want to really sell and that you want to buy from them. So please, if you could help us out there, it would be great, and look over everything like that. And then of course there is an envelope in here to send that back to, or you could do it via email or online as well. So let's see what else we have in here. First thing we got is, this is from Herbs Etc. It's called Chloroxygen Lemonade, and it's the #1 selling chlorophyll product of the natural channel. It was just launched in January 2026 from Herbs Etc. And there's some literature on it plus a sample. Thank you so much, Herbs Etc. This looks great and I can't wait to try it. Thank you. Next up, this was wrapped better, but I did undo it, is from Yerba Madre. Water Melody, natural caffeinated yerba mate drink. This looks delicious. I actually did try some at Expo West. It was really good. And this is going to be a wonderful thing for keep us thriving throughout the year as we all go through, and great for summer as well. So thank you so much, Yerba Madre. Next up, this looks wonderful. Thank you so much, Now Solutions. It's Night Zen Magnesium Body Cream. So to help you sleep at night, I've heard this is wonderful. Put some cream on you. Even some people say put on the bottom of your feet. Melatonin, lavender, and just to relax and restore. Thank you so much, Now. This looks great. So it's now Night Zen. Advanced Nutrition by Zala. This little package which I did open earlier. And inside we have a bottle of apple cider vinegar gummies. Those are always great. As well as part with some literature talking about their products. All these products are kosher and halal certified. They are premium nutrition based on science and latest research and customer satisfaction. So a little bit more about Advanced Nutrition by Zala. And we have also some melatonin chewables. So we're going to sleep even better with the melatonin. And then we have junior melatonin for the kids as well. So everybody's going to be sleeping well between our magnesium cream and our melatonin. Thank you so much, Advanced Nutrition by Zala. Next up, this looks delicious. Azor Market, dark chocolate caramel. Who doesn't love that? And it's sweetened with coconut sugar. This looks wonderful. Thank you so much. When you want a treat, that's going to be wonderful. Thank you so much, Azor. Next up from Clear, we have sugar-free cough drops. As we know, everything Clear is sweetened with xylitol. These are cherry flavored and xylitol blocks bacteria and viruses, soothes, moisturizes, suppressant. It's allergy season, so these are going to be great this time of year, and they are diabetic friendly too. Thank you so much, Clear. Then we have this. This was wrapped up really well too. And we have Lily of the Desert. They were very generous. We have a full bottle of organic aloe vera gel. Thank you so much. It is whole leaf and inner fillet blends. It has Allosorb in it, and this is just amazing that they shared this much with us. And remember, it is wrapped up carefully, so you're gonna have to unwrap this when you get it, but you're gonna love it. Let's see what else we have. From Uli, dip spread sauce. This little box from Uli is 16 grams of protein. This is a 2-pack, and inside of it, made from free-range eggs. And we have one dip, which is Mediterranean tomato dip. That sounds wonderful. Made with eggs again, and made of free-range eggs. And then we have a yellow curry dip, again, made of free-range eggs. So you get your protein, and we have some vegetables or whatever with that. And it just sounds so good. I can't wait to dig into that. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you. Ooh. Next up, we got another bottle that was packed differently. Safety All Natural Sweet Pickled Beets, hand-packed and gluten-free. So beets we know are so good for us right now. Everyone is using beets. My husband loves beets, so he'll be excited with this. And thank you so much, Safety. Next up, from eBands, we have gluten-free all-purpose flour blend. So this is a full bag, again, a full bag of gluten-free flour blend. Chef-tested premium gluten-free flour replaces regular flour, measure for measure. It's great to just start baking, and starting these, they have a recipe for gluten-free buttermilk pancakes on the back, and good to start baking for those gluten-free people. And we're getting towards the end, but we got a couple left. Ridgecrest is always a big partner here. We have Epic Brain from Ridgecrest, Memory, Clarity, and Focus, Lion's Mane, Reishi, Creatine. That's a really interesting blend. Thank you, Ridgecrest. This sounds wonderful. And cognitive obviously is a big area where we do want to make sure. So these are going to be wonderful. I can't wait. I've been having some brain fog lately, so thank you so much. Epic Brain by Ridgecrest. And last but not least, we have our last product, which is from Utsi, and it's called Allertica, Respiratory and Sinus Support. Again, allergy season's so bad right now, and this is going to be great for seasonal nasal care, supports healthy airways, maintains histamine levels. It sounds great. I mean, my allergies have been really bothering me, so I'm looking forward to trying this as well. Thank you so much, Utsi. And that's a wrap for the 2026 spring box. You know, we will be having another one in September, so you will be getting more then. So claim them now. There is some left. And of course, please do fill out the survey to help our vendors to make sure that they are serving your needs and make sure you do love the products. And let us know if anything else you need. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.